This is problem 1 for homework 7.1. Show that Pn, the set of polynomials with real coefficient and degree no greater than n, is a vector space V. Pn can be written as a times x to the n plus b times x to the n minus 1 plus dot 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 plus k times x to the 0. Here is the definition for the vector space. And in order to prove Pn is a vector space V, then we have to do the step from A to G in a hint, which is similar like the definition for the vector space. So the first step is to show Pn is closed under addition. If we have A and B, both of them are polynomials with degree no greater than n, then Pa plus Pb will be equal to a new polynomial with degree no greater than n. Thus, V is closed under addition. Next, show Pn is closed under scalar multiplication. We have a Pa, which is the polynomial with degree no greater than n. And we have a real scalar c. If we multiply Pa with c, we will get a polynomial Ca, which is a polynomial with degree no greater than n. Thus, V is closed under scalar multiplication. Next, show the existence of a zero vector in Pn. If we have a z, which is zero polynomial, then we will find z plus any polynomial a will be equal to that polynomial itself. So z is the zero vector in V. D. Show the existence of an additive inverse vector in Pn. If we have a vector called Pa in V, then we have another polynomial vector Pb which has the negative of Pa. Then Pa plus Pb will be equal to Pa plus negative Pa, which is obviously equal to 0. Hence, B is an additive inverse of A. For the last steps, we have to show the commutative property, the associative property, and the scalar multiplication axioms in Pn. Let's make A, B, and C belong to V, and C and D are the scalars. So for the polynomials with the same degree, we have these 6 properties. Property 1 and 2 are the commutative property and associative properties respectively. And for 3, 4, 5, and 6, they are all the scalar multiplication axioms.